Okay, let's go. So we got a bunch of Prizm that we're gonna be unboxing. So we got 2 Prizm Mega Boxes, and then today at Target, I went perfect timing, and this was the only one. Too bad it's not sealed, but a full 24 pack of the retail box. So I obviously got those. We're gonna go ahead and check this out. Yeah, this was very expensive, so I would really appreciate if you guys do drop a like on the video to help support the channel. Without further ado, let's get into it. So we're gonna start off with the right one. I'm excited. Obviously, this is a Wemby hunting, but I believe they do have autographs, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, they do have autographs. Look for penmanship at rookie penmanship 5 packs. So let's get it. I got this directly off of Panini. So we're gonna see if there's a difference. These are thick packs. 10 cards per pack. All right, let's do it. All right, so we got Jamal Murray right here. Jaden Ivey. Imani Bates. D'Angelo. LeBron for the dominance. That's a nice card. I knew we were going to get LeBron. I actually figured we were going to get LeBron. I'm keeping that one. Darius Garland. Luka. That's a huge hit right there. And then we have Timberwolves for the silver. Bull and Pistons right there. Naz. Okay. Not too bad. Luka is a big hit. That's pretty nice. All right. That LeBron is really nice, though. I want to get at least 1 number card and 1 autograph. Oh, backwards card. DeAndre. We have... I don't even know how to pronounce that. Global Reach. Is this an insert? This is beautiful. I love this. Global Reach. These are so, like, all backwards. Kyrie Irving, Kobe Buffkin, Paul George, Nick Smith Jr. for the Merchant, Jarris Walker for the rookie. That's a pretty nice card right there. So obviously, like I mentioned, we want a numbered card, a low number card, and an auto, as well as a Wemby. We got 3 packs left for this first box. I would hope to not open the other box, but we'll find out. All right, Emmanuel Quick. Oh no. Terry Rozier. James. We got a little Luka. What is this? Keontae George for the instant impact. Okay. That's actually pretty good, huh? Johnny Davis. Noah Clowney. And Cameron. 2 more rookie cards. Nice. That was a pretty good pack. Instant impact. Keontae George. That's a beautiful card right there. Panini definitely loads these packs up. So if you can get some off of the website, I know these sold out in 10 minutes. So this was definitely nice to actually pick up. We got another instant impact. Paul George right there. Cason Wallace. I have to make sure I'm showing it. Okay. This is not really a player I was looking for, but nice. For the silver, we have that. Clippers, Paul George again. We're getting Paul George for days. Naz right there. And then those rookie. Last pack. So far, this pack has not been the best. Kenta, Anthony Davis, Kevin, Keontae George. Oh, we got a deep space for Brandon Miller. Okay. That's actually pretty good. Raptors for Scotty. That's an insert right there. Max Struss. Dennis Dyson. So far that pack had, whether we open up the retail box or not, it just depends on, if it's good enough for these packs that we're going to be opening. Because we do have some other packs we're going to be opening up as well, but that's later in the video. All right, got this next one. All right, we'll put 2 to the bottom for that one, for good luck. All right, can we hit a Wemby, please? Wemby, Wemby. I wanted to improve the camera angle, but I literally just get too excited to the point where I just don't. Miles Turner. Okay, this is the second pack. OG, Isaiah Wong, Emergent, Rudy, Tyrese. Put that there, it's not really a good card. Tyrese, Serge Aubrey Rice. Not too good. All right, come on, I'm feeling it. These packs are opening up weird. Come on, Wemby, please. Usually we always get a Wemby out of our first products, and so far, no Wemby. Another deep space for Luka. That is really good. Okay, I'm not mad about that one. That one's really, really good. Followed by whatever that is. Bucks for Giannis. For Giannis right here for Bucks. Adam. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. And 2 base. Another deep space. I'm not mad about that, especially for it being Luka. But so far we haven't hit anything good. Like good to make this worth it. It's 150 bucks for 2 packs. Or 2 boxes, 150 bucks. We just need to hit a Wemby to make most of the value. Darius, Chris, Murray. Let's see what the back cards are now. Talon, Ayo. Alright, Emergent. We have Timberwolves, Carl. Let's check out the silver. Hornets, Brandon Miller, Steven Adams, and a numbered card. There we go. It's not the player we're looking for, but oh my. If this was a Wemby, bro, this would have been, I don't know, this would have been huge. But we got our numbered card. So not too bad. That is pretty good. Come on. And if I do end up opening up the retail packs, I will live stream it, but I'll have a better camera angle, so don't worry about that. I'll probably change up the lighting as well. Johnny Davis. Oh, card's stuck on there. Oh, that was like glue. What the heck? Devin. Carmel. Jordan Hawkins. Dominance for Darren Fox. Why do I have this over here? Right there. Taylor. Derek Lively. Nothing good. Whew. This is crazy. $150 down the drain. Of course. This is rough. This is a rough pack, like actually. Okay, I'm editing this right now. I don't know why I keep saying packs, even though I know they're called boxes. Don't roast me in the comments, please. No Wemby, no auto, no nothing. We do have a pink card. Oh, silver. DeAndre. Ben. CJ. Laurie. Josh Giddey. Of course we have Josh Giddey. Warriors. Oh, a Stephen Curry. That's really good. I'm gonna keep that one. Norman. And that's it. No Wemby. That is a bummer. That's crazy. No Wemby. So, out of our big hits, out of 2 packs, Stephen Curry for the pink eyes, Luka for deep space, Brandon Miller for deep space with the rookie, instant impact for Brandon, you're right, yeah. Keontae George, Jarris Walker. That's just kind of just a regular. Global Reach for Shy. None of these are numbered, but nice inserts. Luka, LeBron, and our numbered card out of 225 or 32 out of 225. If it was a better player, that would have been awesome. But without further ado, this is $150 down the drain. Thank you for watching my gambling addiction. If you want to see more videos just like this, make sure you do subscribe so you can help support my gambling addiction. Without further ado, thank you for watching. If you do want to see me open up the Prizm retail box, let me know. I will be live streaming this, so stay tuned for it. Make sure you put on notifications so you stay tuned for it. I'm actually feeling that this one would have something really, really good, but we'll find out. Yeah, so thank you for watching.